Welcome to the QdosOffice Employee Management System demo. Today I'm going to be taking you through the basic steps you'll need to set up the employee management system. So after you've entered your login details, it will bring you to this screen with the orange tiles on here. I'm going to go straight into employee management and start the setup. So the first thing you'll see is the company settings. So you want to be starting off with setting up some defaults for the main people that work within the business. So I'm just going to go through and enter in some details here for some basic employee details. So we're going to have an 8-hour working day, a 12-week probation period. I'm going to allow a maximum of 5 holiday days carried over, and a maximum of 24 holiday hours carried over. I'm going to have the holiday year to run from January to December, but if yours is different, you can use this drop-down menu to select when your holiday year runs from and until. And I'm going to default the public holidays to England and Wales public holidays. Again, if you're in Northern Ireland or Scotland, you can just change this on the drop-down menu. I'm going to include the entitlement of public holiday to include public holidays, as everyone within my business doesn't work public holidays and they get paid for them. I'm going to set a 7-day consecutive sick days alert and a rolling sick day calculation period of 1 month. And I'm going to add a new working time pattern in. Well, the system will allow you to add as many working time patterns as you need to. But I'm just going to create one that's a full-time and normal working time pattern. So the easiest way to do this is to just select the amount of hours within here. I would recommend to use the arrows just so that the working time pattern does stick to the same format that it will need to understand. So I'm just going to whiz through this quite quickly, as a Monday to Friday week could not work in Saturdays and Sundays. And again, your start time and end time, I would recommend to just use the little clock to select the start and finish times, just so that it does stick to the same format. Okay, so now that I have my Monday to Friday working time pattern set up, I can complete that. Now, if you do a 2-week roll-in, you can actually add a new week in there to work perhaps every other weekend, for example, but you can select a completely new working time pattern for that as well if you want to. So when I save the changes, that will make that working time pattern my default working time pattern. So again, I just select that full-time normal from the list and then save the changes. Okay, the settings have been saved successfully.